So what I'm trying to say is, this tractor's name should be on the name of the green one.
500 cubic inch plus or minus.
Oh, and by the way, when he pulled off, it cut off going down there. Not good enough. I told you, Sniper's the best one here. That's about 290 something. That ain't a full pull though. I gotta guess what that question is. Do you prefer a small block or big block? Small block gets more RPM though. Big block got more torque. So you want more sound going down here or the crazier runs, basically. I wonder what they'll say. I'm pretty sure that's what the question is. That's what I would ask. So let's see. Last big, no, this is the last big block though. Here we go. Ford engine. Getting a little dry down there. That's not good. It's getting dry. Yeah, he didn't get all the way down there. Keep in mind, that's Ford power, guys. That's not a Chevrolet engine on there. All Ford power. Built Ford tough. Just like... Oh, that's not a Ford. Or just like... Is that a Ford?
Sleeping Henry just finished his pull. We're trying to verify that we're not going over disqualification because we're going out of bounds. And
that's out of bounds? No way. Is it? Oh, it might be. Oh, yeah, it might be.
Up last but not least is Gary Butler with Never Satisfied 2.0.
That won't get all the way down there either. It'll probably stop right there.
Douglas and Sons Plumbing. They donated $400 to the first place winner, and M&B Paving donated another $400 to the first place winner.
All right, last one for the first round. Never Satisfied Gary Butler. We know this tractor pretty good. Now they got the lights on too. 286. Didn't go out of bounds. We good on that one. We gotta let this tractor cool off. I'm gonna stand. I was gonna go all the way down there, but it's getting dry down here. So I'll stand right here. Track is clear. Green light on the sled. Here we go. Last pull for round one. That was a good way to end it. That's probably 290 something. I don't think that's 300. So Sniper got it done again. That's probably 290. That actually got me.
1980 Tupper Brothers River Cruiser won a Maryland State Championship, and this is the first African American team to do so.